What is happening? I'm not getting actually.
What the hell?
What? It's like a body अभी ऐसा पड़ा क्यों पैर ऐसा है
56 पे गया ये इधर.
सर भाई इट वाज वेरी क्लियर दीदी ने क्या पूछा सेम वॉइस में क्या पूछा इधर
I've been getting attracted the moment we have come here to this place. Are you hiding here? Holy shit! I just asked, are you hiding here? Just came one blink and just went. Are you hiding here? See, again. Why are you hiding? Are you scared of us? If you are scared of us, can you give me a blink? If you are hiding here, I need 2 spikes. Heart attack? You're not hiding here then? So what are you doing? Are you not happy that we are here trying to communicate? If yes, I need 1 spike. Okay. So you are happy? You are excited that someone has started communication with you? 1 spike. What is it trying to do? Are you trying to figure out what this is? Okay, so how this works is if you come close to it, you'll get, I'll get 1 spike. If you come very close, I'll get 2 spikes. Can you just come a bit close, not very close? Are there other spirits here apart from the one who are buried? I need 1 spike to confirm. क्या यहाँ पे और भी कोई स्पिरिट है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द वन जिनको यहाँ पे बरी किया गया है? 1 fucking spike. You are hiding here. Are you hiding because?
Did you get a heart attack? Can you come closer?
Something said.
हाँ मुझे भी आवाज आई. Can you come closer? Can you come closer? Can you come closer?
उस आवाज आई उसमें आई.
नहीं वो तो बंद है.
बंद है. किसी ने कुछ कहा. I also heard something.
Someone say something. Is anyone trying to say something?
I feel a cool breeze here.
I very clearly heard someone say something from behind. Did you die of heart attack? Don't be scared. We are not here to bother you in any way. These spikes are going up. You understand English, right? यहाँ पर कोई है जो कि हिंदुस्तानी था. हम हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं. कोई हिंदुस्तानी था यहाँ पे जिसे गाढ़ा गया था. कोई है जो हमसे कम्युनिकेट करना चाहता है, जो मुझे समझ रहा है, हिंदी समझ रहा है. 5.1 here. 10 point.
Something saying.
इसकी वजह से हुआ क्या? नहीं.
No, it's very far.
No, 10 point. हिंदी में बात करूँ मैं आपसे, आप हिंदी समझ रहे हैं? आप हिंदी समझ रहे हैं? आपने अभी जब मैंने पूछा कि यहाँ पर कोई हिंदुस्तानी था जो कि मुझसे बात करना चाहता है, आपने मुझे 10 तक की स्पाइक दी थी. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना ठीक से? क्या आपको बाकियों के साथ कैप्चर कर लिया गया था? आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं?
It's blinking there down so much.
Are you one of those spirits who do not belong to this place? Come back here. You have been here all along. Now that we have figured out you are not from here, you are running.
Maybe that's the reason he was hiding.
Holy shit, yeah. Correct. Is that the reason you are hiding here? Are you hiding because do not belong to this place? Just ran away.
Yeah, he just ran. We exposed him probably.
Again. There's again a blink. There's not a single place where we are not getting.
Not
a blink.
exactly.
See. It's going crazy. Not even giving a reading. It's going crazy. Are you back? Are you the same guy? I need one spike to confirm. Are you the same guy who was communicating? Why did you run from here? Are you scared of us? One spike to confirm. But why are you scared? Are you a fugitive? Are you a fugitive? So आप इंडियन हो या जर्मन हो या ब्रिटिशर हो? If you are Indian, can I get 2 spikes? If you are German, can I get 2 spikes?
German.
So are you a German fugitive? Are you a German fugitive? If yes, I need 1 spike.
2 no.
Were you a prisoner of war? If yes, 1 spike.
Were you tagged as prisoner of war? Even
Yeah.
though not being one?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are not a prisoner of war? Give me 2 spikes to confirm. You did not fight the war, but you were captured.
Oh,
So are you angry about it? If yes, I need 1 spike. Are you frustrated that they wrongfully captured you? 2 spikes if yes.
great.
There is someone who is continuously communicating with us and अलग अलग लोग communicate कर रहे हैं. There was someone who was stabbed, heart attack.
Again, it said something.
Heart attack. Disrespectful.
Sorry, but we didn't do anything. शिवा तो किसके ऊपर चढ़ गए?
नहीं मैं रास्ते से गया, मैं किधर भी नहीं पैर रखा.
We didn't do anything
Sorry.
disrespectful.
Sorry if I accidentally stepped on someone.
You are not liking anything being kept on that near the tombstone. We will take it out.
No, before you do that, can you give sign in any of that?
What do you mean by disrespectful? Do you mean that you are not liking anything being kept? Why?
Because we just want to communicate and see if you can really understand us. It's coming. 2 into 2. Can you just bring it to 2 again? And we'll remove the devices. I promise. I just went to 2.
It just went to
Remove the device.
हाँ.
Remove the device.
वो हटा the device. Okay. Sorry about this. ये GoPro भी है. We were not trying to be disrespectful.
Can you just bring it to 30 again the way you did? We are not tasting your patience, but we are just figuring out how powerful you are. Can you take it to 20 again, like the way you did? Do it again till 20. Will you do if I keep it there?
Look at that.
Oh God. Shit. Are you trying to tell us something, show us something?
I hope you are not standing standing on. What happened there?
No, there are people at God.
We are not standing on the grave.
No, it's a road. See, right, people have used it to walk. It's the grasses are.
7.8, 11,
It's everywhere.
18.
It's and hell.
Are you all around us?
34.
You're not recording that. Is it recording?
It's recording.
We are sorry about keeping anything there. We were not being disrespectful.
ये blast तो नहीं होगा ना?
Sorry about it.
Drained. Battery इसका.
Battery on.
Battery gone. Night vision. Camera has been drained.
See? All the devices are going crazy. Step back.
Step back.
Go back now. We are not disrespectful, but we are commanding you to go back. Go back now. Go back now. Not even listening. It's everywhere.
यहाँ पे कुछ तो है. Something is here. This particular space where we are standing. Something is in between us. Here. Are you guiding me somewhere or guiding us somewhere?
नहीं, opposite.
Okay. Okay. Okay, should I climb?
Just be careful. Don't step on any of the waves.
Stopped here. It stopped here. I just pointed towards that house and it stopped.
What is here? Why did you bring him here?
Drop to 1. Yeah.
It's gone here. Just fell silent.
Yes.
Just fell silent. Thank you so much for communication. We will try to come back, but we make no promises. If you need any help, like I said, you still have some time till we move out to give us some kind of a sign, make a noise, make a click, something, and we'll know that आपको कुछ help चाहिए. But if you don't, then you belong here. You do not have the permission. You do not have the authority to follow any one of us back home. You stay here. You belong here. You know there is a shield that will not let you follow us. You stay here like you are from some time, from the very time you were buried here. Stay here and we will try and come back sometime soon. Thank you so much.
No promises though, but nothing follows us.
Yeah.